Bujo Gainomeo Birasigekwe. This is Birasigekwe and Nungum Kiwiwapanan O. We're going to look at this Aki Mazinaikan, this map here. Last week we learned about Mikanakomenis, which is in our Ozawa Beisha, in our yellow line or up above. On the previous page, you notice that Mikanakomenis has an Oshtekon, it has a head. Oninjins has hands. Gizid, it has feet, and it also has a Mikanakozal, which is a tail. You'll see that, and you can listen for those on the previous page. For today, look at this page up above, and you'll see that in yellow is our Mikanakomenis. But I have a question for you for today, and this is what we're going to discover. For our discovery today, your question is, Anishmanik Aki Binjai Mikanakomenis. How many countries are in Turtle Island? Let's say that question one more time. Anishmanik Aki Binjai Mikanakomenis. Let's find out.